I've got a light similar to this. This is a photo light, but I'm just using a clip light from Home Depot so you can kind of see how you can do it on the cheaper. And inside that, I've got this bulb. It is a 100-watt bulb here, and it's actually daylight balanced. So use whatever you got, because you know, if we get a chance to edit, you can edit inside the computer. Just shoot your cards. But that's pretty powerful, 100 watts. Instead, an alternative would be to use something like this. So this is a light from, like, say, a vanity in the bathroom. And so these, you can also get daylight balanced, but a lot of times you'll have them probably slightly warm because that's what you're used to. But this is just something regularly at hardware stores, Home Depot. You can probably even order them on Amazon. But these are typically, you can get them as fluorescent or LED, and you can get them where they'll say like equivalent to 60 watts, 75 watts, whatever you want. So, you know, I can pull that right out of my bathroom, or I can get something that's a little bit more powerful here that I can order as well. So this is the type of light that I've got going on the Black and Black, and I'll be also doing some stuff here with Continuous. So it's got a clip. So it's got, this is kind of a nice one if you ask me. It's got a nice clip to it, and I can just clip it to any apparatus that I need to. And I can put the bulb that I've been talking about. So I might put the bulb in like so into this light. And these clip lights actually come with a big reflector on them. So, you know, like 7-inch reflector here. So you get a lot of diffusion, and it makes your light a lot bigger even with these cheap clip lights. Angle, you can see that's what that light would look like. Again, I can use the lower power ones out of my bathroom, and they work pretty well too. They actually kind of fit in the reflector a little better. After continuous light, I'll use a simple hot shoe flash for those of you that have hot shoe flashes. I know a lot of you have the Vivitar 285s. This is kind of a modern version of that. It's a Yongao, I think that's how you say the brand name, Speedlight, and I have the YN 563, the 3rd generation. So it's all manual. It's a non-dedicated, so it works on both Nikon, Canon, and modern Sonys. So it works really well on those purposes. So I'll set that up all manual style, and let's see how that goes.